Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Big Ideas by Bindu. Many of us have the phobia of doing math. So here is the solution for that. It's Vedic math. With the help of the Vedic maths, we can do any sort of calculation within a fraction of seconds. Vedic math enhances the speed and accuracy of the mental ability. So without taking much time, let us go into the sutras. So today's sutra is about multiplication concepts. Many of us have always the dilemma and we feel little difficulty in solving the multiplications. So let us start with today's concept. It's Antyayor Dashkepi. As the Vedic maths is the ancient supporting mathematical concepts, here we can see all the concepts names with the Sanskrit sutras. So if you observe the Sanskrit name of this concept, it is Antyayor Dashkepi. It is in Sanskrit language Antyayor. Antyayor means the end side of a number. Dashkepi, it's equal to 10. Dash in Sanskrit, Dash mane it's 10. So Antyayor Dashkepi, the title itself gives an idea of this concept. Means in the any one of the side we have to find number 10 as the answer. So let us see how this Antyayor Dashkepi the concept will be. Before going into this concept, here we have to know that two more concepts are included in this Antyayor Dashkepi. One is the formula 1 and next one formula 2. So as I told Dashkepi, we have to see and identify the 10 any one of the side. For that here we should have the knowledge of knowing about the number pairs. Okay, number pairs are nothing but of the complementary numbers of the 10. So when we are taking a pair of numbers, it should give you 10 as the answer. Let us see how. Let us take the digits or the numbers below the 10. Let us start the before number of the 9. Okay, so now we have to identify the number how much to be added to the given numbers to get as answer 10. So how much to be added here for the 9? 1, right? So for the 8, take 2. For the 7, 3, 6, 4 and 5, 5. So we should be aware of these friends. So here if you observe, each number pairs is equal to 10. How these pairs, or we can also call them as friends, how these pairs or the friends are influencing this concept, let's look have an idea. You will be having a nice idea. Let us see the formula 1. I told in the multiplication it is double into double digits. So multiplication formula 1, let us see the first rule what we have to follow. Rule. As you know, a double digit number will be having the places of ones and tens, right? Ones and tens. So here, how can we identify whether a sum comes under the formula 1 or the formula 2 or any other sutra? So first in the ones place, if we see the friends or the number pairs of 10, pairs of 10. Okay, and now in the tens place the digit must be same. Let us apply this. As this is the multiplication, we are having double digit numbers, right? So what is the first rule, first part? Pairs of 10. In the ones place, it has to be a number pair. So here I am taking 2 in one number. And in the other number, who is the pair of 2 or friend of 2? It's 8. Yes, it's done. Now let us move to the tens place. In the tens place, if you observe, it is same. So same means any number of my choice. I'll take here 4. Yes. So identifying a Formula 1 sum is completed. Now let us see the procedure or what steps we have to follow in solving this sum. In the multiplication, generally in the Vedic maths, all the multiplication concepts, answers can be classified into left and right part. So to simplify the answers, we can represent answer in left and right part. So to make easy. So here also we'll be having in the answer left part and the right part. Okay. Now the first step we have to take here, let us start from the tens place. In a Vedic maths there is one more rule, that is always we have to start multiplying from the highest place. So here obviously the 10 is the highest place. So let us take 4 and 4. 4 and 4 are the common numbers. What we have to do, we have to multiply the common number with its successor. So successor is nothing but the after number. How do we get the after number? When we add 1, obviously to the given number, it will be the after number. So 4's after number or 4's successor is 5. So the first step, we need to multiply the common number with successor. So here into 4 into 5, 20. So our left part of the answer is done. Now go to the ones place digits. Here ones place 8 and 2. So directly we need to multiply and we have to write the product there. So 2 8s are, it's 16. If you observe here, without taking to so many steps or without doing so much of paperwork, simply we can calculate within a fraction of seconds this kind of Formula 1. So is it interesting? Let us go and take one more example. Let us take one more example. In the ones place, it should be pairs, right? So here 6 into 4. My choice numbers, I am taking 3 and 3. So 36 into 34. Okay. So what is the first step? Tens place digits we have to start, and that tens place digit is a common. So we have to multiply by its successor. So here 3 into 4. So left part and right part. No need to write every time this left part and the right part. We can visualize in our mind. Okay. So here 3 4s are, it's 12. And next ones place digits directly we can multiply and we can put here 6 4s are 24. Here is the answer. Shall we try 2 more sums? Okay, any number we can take. 48, let us take 73 into 77. Okay, this sum comes under Formula 1 only. Ones place, pair is there, and tens place same. So now here 7 into 7, I should not multiply. 7 into 8, the successor. 7 8s are, it's 56, and 3 7s are 21. Here is the solution. So now let us go into the Formula 2. Okay, I think everyone you got the clarity of Formula 1. Let us see what will be there in the Formula 2. So Formula 2 means we have to check the ones place and tens place. It's like a vice versa to the Formula 1. So in the ones place of Formula 1, we checked pairs of 10, whereas in the ones place, the digits must be same. And tens place of the Formula 1 is same, whereas in the Formula 2, we have to check the pairs of 10. So here also the first step is done. Now let us identify which sum comes under Formula 2. This is a multiplication and a double digit, right? So one sentence. So in the ones place, both the numbers, ones place digits must be same. So here I am taking 4 and 4. And in the tens place, pairs of 10. So I can take any number. So here I am taking 3 and 7. So here also the first part, the rule we have completed and the identification of the number also completed. Now let us see the procedure. So here, as I told, always start with the highest place value digits, that is tens place. So now here 3 and 7, right? 3 and 7 are there, no? So without adding or without any successor, first let us complete. 3 sevens are 21. It is 21. And now after multiplying, we have to add the common number. What is common here? It's 4, right? So 21 plus 4. All this calculation for understanding here we are writing, but whereas in the Vedic maths, everything by visualizing, and we have to do it in our mind calculations. So here it is 3 sevens are 21, and that 21 to that 21 we have to add the common number, that is 4. So 21 plus 4, it's 25. And next ones place, go to the ones place, multiply ones place digits, that is 16. So here if you observe, in the ones place, in the formula 1, the ones place will be the pairs. In the formula 2, the tens place will be the pairs. If you keep this thing as an important note for the identification of the multiplication, it will helps you. So shall I take one more example? So ones place must be same, right? 5 and 5, and here at tens place I have to take pairs. So here I am taking 9 and 1. Okay, so 9 and 1 is a pair, and 5 and 5 is also a pair. But what we have to see, in the tens place, if you observe, the tens place having the sum of 10, the digits which gives you 10 as the answer. So now here we have to multiply. 9 ones are 9. No need to write here, you can just do it mentally. And 9 plus the common number 5. So 9 plus 5, it's 14. And next ones place digits, 5 into 5, that is 25. Is it not easy? I hope you understood and you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't miss any of the Vedic maths concepts.